Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make choux pastry. In a cold saucepan, you add oil, water, and some butter. I left it in the room temperature for a while so that it melts quicker. Milk, and then you turn the heat medium to high heat and make sure everything's melted. Now it's boiling up a little bit like that, and then you stop the heat and add the flour in one go and mix. This mixing shouldn't take too long. Just make sure that all the flour is incorporated. At this stage, the texture is a bit lumpy, but that's okay. So now it's all mixed in. So you turn the heat back on, medium to high heat, and cook it further as you mix vigorously like this. This will dry the dough a little bit more and make the dough smoother. After cooking 30 to 40 seconds, you can stop the heat. And this is ready for the next step. Now you're going to add some eggs. The first egg in and mix. It is a little bit slippery and hard to incorporate, but it will come together. The first egg is all incorporated, so on to the second one. It is a good idea to put the egg in a small bowl first, so that if some shells get in, it is easier to remove from the bowl. The second one is incorporated onto the third egg. Up until third egg, you don't have to worry about the consistency. And this process could be done with the electric beater if you prefer. Now on to the fourth egg. Oops, a piece of shell got in. I told you it was a good idea to use the bowl. This fourth one, I beat it first and add a small amount at a time. It is crucial to check the consistency at this point, because if you add too much egg, the dough gets too runny, and you don't want that. So I'm being very careful, just tiny bit at a time, and mix. It's getting better now. This is the consistency you're after. The dough drops this way, leaves triangular shape like that. This choux pastry can be used for lots of things. Be sure to see our other videos showing how to make custard cream puffs, profiteroles and chocolate eclairs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.